So this is a question when there's 95% true positive, which means that the user actually uses the drug and the test turns out to be positive, and also the 60% to be false negative means that this test has 60% probability that the user does not use the drug and actually turns out to be negative. Um, so okay, so I'm going trying to solve this problem. And okay, so the other prerequisite is that there's 15% that there there is a user in like the whole population. So because it's 90% true positive, and it's here 90%, put it here, and this is because it's true and is negative and is positive. So the other way around we interpret this is that it is true negative, and we put it here as 5%. So samely we have 60% as false negative, and that's false negative. We put the 60% here. And the other way around is that we put this 40% here as false positive. So the thing is that for these two items, we give the prerequisite as this user actually uses the drug or not use the drug, and the test turns out to be positive and negative, and a chance of that. So this is the prerequisite that we know, and this is the test we conduct, is positive or not, and this probability is to describe the percentage of that. So if I say it's A and this is B, and the probability of it will be turn out to be positive given it's true, something like this. All right. And because there's 15% of users, so we put the 15% here and here, because they're users. And also, so from this we work out our 95% probability that it's non-user, so we put a 95% probability here. And then we calculate this and this, and find the sum of this and this. And this sum generally tells you the what is the probability that a person is a user. And based on that, we can actually work out the, for example, for this one, we know that what is the a user plus the test is positive divided by this one divided by PU, and this is actually conditional probability, where we're saying that the positive given users, right? And actually this positive given user is the is kind of like reversed probability here, because this probability is describing the what if, for example, this one, what if the test is positive given that a person is a user. So this is called a prosecutor's fallacy, and just try to keep that in mind. All right, thanks.